My plans after graduation include working as an investment banking analyst for Park Sutton Advisors, which they specialize in mergers and acquisitions for financial institution groups. So that's where I'll be directly after graduation. Mercer has prepared me for my future by allowing me to have the skills and knowledge and the tools that I needed to firstly excel in my career, but it also helped me develop connections and develop relationships that I'll probably carry with me throughout the rest of my life. The achievements I'm most proud of would probably be winning the Cfa Research Challenge, which we won this semester actually. The Cfa Research Challenge is a challenge where everybody develops an equity research report on a specified company, so they issue the company at the beginning of the challenge. And so we compete against all those schools in Georgia, Alabama, and South Carolina. We actually had the best report, so we scored a 94 out of 100. We are the champions for this year. Volunteering at the Vita Center exposed me to a bunch of different avenues, and I thought that it was very unique. The Vita Center is it's the volunteer income tax assistance program where we are taxed by the IRS to help low-income households fill out tax returns so they're not quote-unquote ripped off by the corporate tax filers. Mercer has also exposed me to a bunch of different worldviews, and I have developed probably my most meaningful connections and relationships here, and I think those are very important to me. I will definitely miss the people the most at Mercer. All the people here are spectacular, so kind, so relatable, and so thoughtful, and I don't think that this type of culture exists anywhere else. I think my road to changing the world has already started. I have actually taken up a board seat for Rebuilding Macon, so I'll actually be involved with that a lot. I also want to give back to Macon. It is my hometown, and so hopefully I can be involved in the community, invest in the community, and bring about the change that I would like to see in Macon.